Hi, me Narayan Vasudevan. Welcome you back to Trips and Tips. Now I am in Greenwoods Resort and we are staying in Greenwoods Resort during this 2 night 3 days Thekadi trip. Greenwoods Resort is an eco-friendly premium segment resort situated in the little town of Kumuli, Thekadi, and it is in the heart of Kumuli town. Even though it is situated inside a town, you never feel it like so because it's a 6 acres property with lot of trees and greeneries. You can see this ambience. So let us move to the resort, Greenwoods Resort, and we can see how it is. Now we are sitting in front of the reception. It's a courtyard area in between reception and restaurant. So you can see the interior of this Greenwoods Resort here. It's a royal look. So I'll show you how the reception area, lobby and the restaurant is. So now we are in front of the base category rooms of Greenwoods Resort. The base category is called as Aranya. They have 9 Aranya rooms in this Greenwood Resort. The entire 9 rooms are in a single block. So this is that block, and I'll show you how the base category room is. So we can go inside of the room number 801. It's a Aranya room, base category room. Just now we saw the first category rooms. It is Aranya category, that's in a single block. Now we are standing in front of our second category rooms. In Greenwoods Resort, the second category rooms are called Kanana or deluxe rooms. And you can see just behind me, it's a block of 4 rooms, 4 deluxe rooms, 4 Kanana rooms. So let us go inside and see how it is, how the Kanana rooms are. This is the balcony of Kanana rooms. So it is a small area, and we are entering into the balcony first. So from the balcony we can go to the bedroom area. So now we are inside the bedroom of second category, that is Kanana rooms. You can see the beautiful decoration of bed. So it's decorated very nicely, and moreover this is giving us a vintage ambience. You can see the furniture over here, chair, and all together the interior is just like a antique one or vintage style. It's very good. and you can see that sitting space over there near the window. നമുക്ക് ബാത്റൂമും കൂടെ ഒന്ന് നോക്കാം. Now we are standing in front of their third category rooms. Third category rooms of Greenwoods Resort. It is a honeymoon suite, and this particular honeymoon suite is named as Ritika. So there are lot of specialities are there inside this cottage. So let us go and see. Now we are inside this honeymoon cottage. It is called as Ritika. It is a closed area, private area. We can see some specified area which is protected by walls and everything. So this is the cottage, and the speciality is that's a small swimming pool. It is not a jacuzzi. It is not a swimming pool. It is just like it's a different concept. So let us go inside the cottage and see how it is. Now we just entered this Ritika room. We can see the balcony sitting area outside, and first we are entering into the dressing area. Here we can keep our luggage or footwear, anything, or shelf is also there. So from there we have two options. One is bedroom and second one is toilet and bathroom. This bathroom is almost similar as what we have seen in the deluxe category. As I said, toilet, not only toilet, the bedroom also as the same as the Kanana rooms, deluxe rooms. Interior is same, size is also same, ambience we are getting is also same. So the room wise, a Kanana and honeymoon cottage is bedroom is similar in size and interior. The major difference is it is an independent cottage. Same way, it is having a small swimming pool attached to it with a private area. So we can call it as a cottage, honeymoon cottage with private pool. So we can see the pool from here through this window. See the pool. You can see the pool here. So now we are in front of the fourth category room of Greenwoods Resort. It is called as Amaravati. It's something big and spacious. So just now we entered into the Amaravati category rooms. It is villa type. Just we stepped up from the main door and we entered into the living space. It is a spacious one. You can see the similar antique chair or vintage chair which we have seen in other category rooms like Kanana and Ritika. So another advantage of this particular room category is there is an upper deck area, upper deck living space also. I'll show you that. So this is the additional living space which we are getting in this Amaravati room. This is the bedroom, and I think this bedroom is almost similar in size and interior with that Kanana and honeymoon Ritika. Almost the size and the interior is same, and we can see the bathroom also, and almost similar design. So the additional facility of this room is one small balcony. It's a different type. This is a beautiful small balcony, and it is having two single settees. And the main advantage of this balcony, it's having a partial view of swimming pool. So now we are in front of the room category called as Indivara. Indivara is Greenwood's 5th category room. It's coming as private pool villa. So let us go inside and watch. So this is the living space. Living space is actually this one. This is the entrance of this Indivaram resort, Indivaram room, 5th category room. So from this living room itself, we can go to the private pool. I'll show you the living room first. So this is the living room, very spacious one, and having separate television over here. Also, we can see the sky from here. It's a glass top. Some small portion is glass top. We will get the sunlight here. And one more advantage of this room is having separate bathroom. From here we can go to the bedroom. We can see the bedroom. It's a spacious one. You can see it, very big bedroom here. And interior also, it is having some difference. Earlier that deluxe Canada and Ritika rooms were of some vintage or antique look. Here it is something, we are feeling some modern look. Spacious one. So here we can see big cupboards, dressing table, and from here we can move to the bathroom of this bedroom. It is a very spacious bathroom here. We can see two wash basin over here. So the sunlight is coming through this top. Spacious. Very much spacious bathroom here. From this bathroom, there is a door. We can move to this private pool. This is a warm pool. We can control the temperature of the water. So, this is the private pool of Indivara category villa room and is connected from the toilet and from the living space. So two entries are there, and the privacy is obtaining in this area by boundary wall. So it is a very good private pool, or it is a pool villa. Indivara, 5th category of Greenwoods Resort. So from the restaurant, we can go to the swimming pool area. It's a very good big swimming pool it is. first floor of the reception building. One hall is the mini conference hall, where daily that shows are going on, Bharatanatyam, Mohaniyattam, dance shows are going on. Yesterday also there was Bharatanatyam was going on, and that is a 50 pax capacity mini conference hall, I think so. Yes, it's around 50 pax capacity conference hall with projector and everything. And the second one is Vihara. Vihara is just adjacent to this Bodhi hall, mini conference hall. From the board itself, it's very clear that it is something related to health. It's a recreation room, chess is there, table tennis is there, caroms also there, also one plain table is here. I think on the other side, one health club is there. Let us go. Yes, it's a gym or health club. Minimum setup is there. So anyone who is practicing every day or doing exercise every day, he can continue that during the stay in Greenwoods Resort.